I'm feeling this. 4041 and oh my God, the 801! The 101 Central Georgia. Woo! Unbelievable. This is more. I mean, like, yeah. I mean, like, why do you think I glance? Why do you think I'm glancing down the rail tracks every time I look to the every time I come to this crossing? Yeah. What do you think?
You seen those engines before?
The thing is, like, I mean, technically, this is the first Norfolk Southern Heritage unit I ever filmed.
Man across the street from me is a retired engineer.
Huh. I just hope this doesn't last long because I'm using the message app, and it can only film up to a certain point before it comes too big for it to be like saved. So yeah, going at a pretty good clip, is it? Going at a pretty good speed, is it?
45, 50.
Here comes the rear DPU.
Another engine on the left.
Yeah. For the rear DPU, we have the A167.